Hi, my name is Boris and welcome to Cosmic Trading, and today we're going to cover SPX, Meta, Gold, Avgo, and Visa. Let's start with SPX real quick. So like I said yesterday that we would probably face some trouble breaking this, and as you can see we had a nice little rejection, and since the pre-market looked green, I think we're going to attempt and break this. And since it's the second attempt and we are using this current level 5 as support, it shows that's a very bullish sign and we are likely to break this gap 1 downtrend. If we manage to break this gap 1 downtrend, it will be fantastic. It will be very big news, and this last red line won't be much of a trouble to break. Now if we manage to break this entire area, the maximum range we have to the upside is probably about 4%. So in the next 2 days we might move 4% to the upside, and after this, if it does happen, then the market will likely, very likely, start going red. Now let's check Meta. So Meta is still trading at a level 4 uptrend, but we are facing some resistance from this blue uptrend line, and as you can see, this was a major rejection. If we break this, then we have probably another 4% to the upside for this week until we encounter gap 1. That's gonna be the last leg of the overall downtrend we've been on for the past 100 days or so. Now let's move on to gold. So gold has been pretty much trading sideways this entire week, and I just realized I never took the downtrend measurement for this, so let's do that real quick. So as you can see, this overall downtrend been trading at level 1, and right now we're about 1.5% away from gap 2 and 2% away from gap 1. Now if the market decides to start going down a little bit, we might use this yellow trend line as support, which is about 1%, and then the secondary is about 3.5% to the downside. Now let's move on to Avgo. So like I said last week, we've been using this area as support a couple times, and this was a very bullish sign, and as you can see, Avgo is starting to move up to the upside again. Now since we haven't had a proper leg down, I can't really take a uptrend measurement. Well, technically I can, but it's not gonna look right, so I don't want to take an uptrend measurement just yet. Now let's move on to Visa. So Visa ended up using this gap 1 as support again, and we are now using this yellow trend line as support. As you can see, this candle is really stretching itself to use it as support, so I do expect us to start going back up this week, and if we do, I don't think we're gonna go more than 3% to the upside. I think around this area we're gonna struggle quite a bit. Anyways, I wish you all the best. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.